All right, I'm going to show you the Builtright Industries 4-panel set for my 2021 Ford Raptor. See, it cuts around the Pro Power on board nicely here. You can even keep the box link cleats installed. Here's an example of a shovel, and I forget the name of these. I think the Quick Fist is what these are called. I just got them on Amazon. They mounted up perfectly back there with some hardware that I had already just at the house. So they bolt in right here on this cleat or eye, and you still have a cutout here to turn on your bed lights. Up here, that's what you're getting. Not a huge area, but I do have some plans. I'll probably end up having to take this off. Be mounting some things up there. Over here, I'm going to get some Rotopacks, 3-gallon fuel and a 2-gallon water on this side. So that'll be coming out to about here. And yeah, overall, this is a very easy install. The one thing about it was in the instructions, there was nothing about what to do with this kind of rubber spacer and this push pin, plastic push pin. And ended up just kind of figuring it out, watching some other videos. So it's not in there super stable. This is just to kind of prevent it from deflecting or bending. So it just puts a rubber stopper right there, or spacer, and then this push pin, you can just easily pull it in and out. You know, it's not super heavy duty or anything, but I guess it doesn't really need to be. It's just there to keep it in place. And over here on this side, got it up against it there just to keep this from bending, give it a little more support. Yeah, and that's it for this. I think I will be putting a fire extinguisher over here or up here, and probably that's it for that panel. But that's all I wanted to do. Show you guys these panels. That's it.